Let's jump to 1979 and the Jeep CJ commercial. The assonant sounds of short R and long A emphasise the effect. It's also an example of polysyndeton, where there are more connecting words or conjunctions in the sentence than are necessary. This makes it seem as though the Jeep has more unique attributes than it really possesses.
Finds out.
It's a puzzle, begging to be pieced together, like a classic whodunit scenario. For example, which crew member put the bomb under my desk? I will find out, and I will have my vengeance.
You know when Daryl told me you were going to videotape the wedding, I watched some of your short films.
Really?
I thought that was shit. I was fully prepared to play the $5,000 to get a proper videographer in, but Daryl kept telling me that you would do a really great job.
He said that?
Heaps of times. I remember you in that black jacket.
The earliest days.
You looked so cool, so sure of yourself, just standing on that street corner sipping that chocolate milkshake. It must be strange being here.
It is. It's very strange. It feels weird. I just feel so disconnected.
We have me here. I'm here now.
I know.
You don't know where he lives, do you?
You don't know what I think that I know that you know.
Okay.
Nerd. Let's do this.
Every day was the same for Otto. It would begin at his favourite cafe where he'd order from the barista with a single ponytail. He didn't like her very much.
This is from yesterday. You can just take one.
Take two. Chop chip, I promise.
She's new?
She's Anna.
Jeez.
Say the writer lives in a dystopian future where individual thought is a crime punishable by death penalty and all books are banned.
I'm a writer. I write books and have individual thoughts. Sometimes.
By the power invested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
The man with the new Jeep CJ gets the girl as she gives him a big hug. And the other two men wish they had a Jeep.